Have you ever felt your anger rise, your heart race? Just because of someone else? Imagine if, from this moment, no one could control your mood. Imagine being calm, unshaken, and free, no matter what life throws at you. Today, I will tell you a story that will teach you how to embrace calmness and take full control of your emotions. There once lived a young man named Armin asterisk. Armin had a bright future, but there was one problem. He got angry very easily. Even small things would upset him. A friend would joke and he would snap. A mistake at work and he would storm out. His anger made him lonely and tired, deep down. Armin knew he wanted peace, but he didn't know how to find it. One day, Armin lost his temper at his manager. The manager didn't shout back, but calmly said, "Armin, anger never solves anything, it only steals your peace." These words hit Armin like a lightning bolt. For the first time, he felt the weight of his emotions. That night, he lay awake and asked himself, "Why do I let others control my mood?" Armin decided to take a journey, not a journey on a map, but a journey inside his mind. He started reading books about calmness and watching videos about emotional control. Slowly, he learned that emotions are like waves. They rise, but they don't have to carry you away. In his town, there was a wise old man named Seed Armin went to him for advice. Seed smiled and said, "Emotions are like guests, welcome them. But don't let them live in your house forever." Armin didn't fully understand at first, but he felt a strange calm in Seed's presence. Seed taught Armin a simple rule: observe your feelings without reacting immediately. The next day, a stranger shouted at Armin in the market. Normally he would shout back, but this time he paused. He noticed the anger in his chest, took a deep breath, and said nothing. For the first time, he felt power over himself. At work, a colleague tried to provoke him again. Armin's first instinct was to explode, but he remembered Seed's lesson. He paused, counted to 10, and responded politely. His colleague was surprised, and Armin felt calm satisfaction . He realized control was not weakness, it was strength. Even with family, anger often flared. One evening, his younger brother teased him. In the past, he would have yelled. Now he smiled quietly and walked away. He noticed how freedom felt heavier than anger, lighter than revenge, more peaceful than shouting. But Armin also faced struggles inside. Old habits die hard. Some days, anger still came like a storm. He learned not to fight it, but to sit with breathe, and watch it pass. Slowly, the storms became less violent. Slowly, he became unshakable. One afternoon, Armin reflected on his journey. He realized something powerful: people cannot disturb your peace unless you give them permission. Your reactions are your choice. The realization made him smile. For the first time, he felt truly free. Armin wanted others to feel this freedom too. He started helping friends and co-workers understand calmness. He didn't lecture, they noticed his peace. And they wanted it too. Actions, he realized, speak louder than words. One day, a group of rude strangers tried to provoke him in the city. Normally, Armin would have reacted angrily. This time he smiled, walked calmly past them, and didn't even look back. That small victory felt enormous. His calmness had become unshakable. His manager noticed the change at work. "Armin," she said, "you are calmer than anyone I know. You handle pressure like a master." Armin realized that calmness wasn't just peace. It was power, respect, and confidence . Armin developed daily habits to maintain calmness. Deep breathing every morning. Journaling his emotions. Pausing before responding to anger. Reminding himself, this too shall pass. He realized that calmness is a practice, not a one-time achievement. Years later, Armin became known as the man who never lost his calm. People sought his advice, but Armin always said, "The calmness was inside me all along. I only learned to stop giving my power to others." Armin finally understood. Anger and being bothered are choices. Calmness is freedom. By embracing calmness, he could enjoy life fully, love deeply, and live peacefully. He learned the greatest secret. No one can control your mood unless you allow it. You cannot control what others say or do, but you can control how you respond. Every time you choose calm over anger, you reclaim your power. Start today, embrace calmness. And remember, your peace is your greatest strength. Never let anyone take it away.